Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix SIM card storage is full problem on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, select manage apps. Now from here, just search contacts. Now once you have done that, just tap on contacts. Now from here, just tap on clear data. Now from here, select clear cache. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just select contacts and dialer. Now from here, tap on clear data. Now from here, select clear cache and tap on OK. Now go back and select contact storage. Now from here, tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Now from here, select OK. Now once you have done that, just go back and search message. Now once you have done that, just tap on messages and tap on clear data. Now from here, tap on clear cache. Now just tap on OK. And this is how you can fix SIM card storage is full problem on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.